welcome to this video. So today we're having a look at a great wall, and customer's dropped it off. Key works the ignition, but the immobilizer is not being recognised. Stays on and just flashes like that. So something's happened to the immobilizer, and also something's happened to the OBD. It's just hanging there. I don't know whether that's China's way of doing stuff. Let's get into it. We were making keys to this X240 Great Wall, and the immobilizer itself was missing some data, and basically I had to rewrite the VIN and work out the algorithm or the method that the Chinese used to sync the ECU with the immobilizer box. So I've already tested it. I've now got it running, and just to show that it works, so we've got just a Silka key. And before, what was happening is the immobilizer light would just constantly just blink like it's blinking now, and the car couldn't be started. So now light goes on, immobilizer light goes off. So basically what I needed to do was use another immobilizer file from another car and change the VIN number to match the VIN number on the ECU, and then obviously program in 2 new transponders into the car, and that works. And it probably took me about, no word of a lie, probably, well, it took me over 4 days to do it, but it's probably about 30 hours figuring this out. So now the car's running. Now the guy has 2 keys. We stored the immobilizer pin number, which is not the right pin number on the code wizard. A lot of forum searching, but basically we had the pin number, programmed it in using the Smart Pro, programmed it in using the MVP. Still wouldn't work. Put it on for 3 hours so many times, and basically the VIN number needed to match, and the checksum also needed to match, and there's another checksum that needed to match that's located outside the actual binary file. But I got it going, car done, and that's it. And I couldn't find another immobilizer in Brisbane, couldn't find another ECU, so I had no other choice but to basically rebuild the immobilizer file to match the ECU. But anyhow, car's done. Worst case scenario, it's not usual that you have to go through all that much trouble, but on this one something happened, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh, actually, can you say it again? It wasn't recording.
Oh, god damn it.
Don't worry about it.
Wait,
Go on.
The sound of this motor is music to my ears. Thank you so much, you've saved me life. Thanks, mate.
No worries.